Kawadhi nyime, Jong'ad bura mag doho mamalo mogik koro ne ogolo penjo matek ne okinde mag jatend piny moyier William Ruto wi moko kuom weche ma osewuok e bura makwedo lendo mar Ruto kaka jaloch e yiero manotim dwe mokalo.
Jong'ad bura go dwaro ng'eyo ka bende chik oyiene Chebukati lando duoko mar yiero mar jatend piny ka ok owinjore kod commissioners moko mag IEBC. Ranyisi mar balo kod commissioners 4 nigodo kod kwan mag jogo ombulu mogajore mane Chebukati ogolo kane otiek goyo ombulu kod chieng' mane olando e duoko.
Okindego koro ni kod dakika 30 tich abich gokinyi odiechieng' makiny mar duoko penjogo.
Mr. Mahat, there was an allegation that 33,000 vote differential were noted between the votes cast for the president and those for governor, senator, women rep. You tried this morning to explain that some of those instances arose from stray ballots. Would you tell us how many constitute stray ballots? And can you also share with us how those stray ballots are distributed in terms of counties? Related to that, did you have, in your analysis, did you have any instances where voters walked into the polling station, voted for the president and no other candidate?
I know that the events of 15th August are in our minds, but remember that there was an extra day by which Mr. Chebukati could have declared the result. Why did you not wait until that day? Violence or no violence? Perhaps you have another reason. Reach out to the commissioners, the 4 that are now named the 4. Try and reach a consensus. Address the question of the 27 constituencies so that these suspicions that have now cropped up would not have been an issue. Is there any other reason why he did not take advantage of the extra day to do what he had to do?
In your submissions, you suggested that the term commission can be used in multiple senses. How do we know which sense will be applied when? As a former Attorney General, perhaps you can point out to us whether it is in regulations, it is in the law, but how do we know which sense is applied when? So what is the check for this all-powerful chair if the commissioners have nothing to do with his role? What would happen if the chair was to announce the wrong results completely?
In fact, the commissioners, I would have thought that one of the most important oversight roles in the commissioner's life would be when they are overseeing the verification and tallying of the presidential election result at the center before the same is then declared on behalf and for and but for the people of Kenya by the chair. So what is oversight?
Ramogi podwa dhi nyime koda weche